Hello friends, I'm Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, see today we are going to draw a village scenery. So friends, here at first we have to draw the lady. The lady is collecting some flowers. Okay, and when you draw the lady, you have to complete the every part one by one like me. If you follow the steps, you can draw this one very easily. Okay, and see, she is collecting some flowers. Friends, also we have to complete the flowers. After completing the flowers, we will draw some ducks. Okay, so friends, see, this composition is a very common composition, and the lady is collecting flowers. There a pond and some ducks also here. Also, we have to complete the figures. After completing the figures, we'll go to the background. Okay, so friends, I'm sure that if you follow the steps properly, you can draw this one very easily. Okay, and if you want to add something, you can add. Okay, here if you want to change the background, you can change the background also. So friends, see, I told so many times that if you like my videos, please don't forget to share with your friends, with your relatives. Okay, and if you want to need any help from me, please don't forget to contact with us. Okay, and it's better if you want to learn drawing properly, you should join drawing class. If you want to learn drawing from me, you also contact with us. Okay, and I told so many times that at first you have to complete the drawing. After that, you should correction your drawing from your drawing teacher. Okay, and if you want, you can send me. So friends, bye. Don't forget to draw this one again and again. Okay, all of you. Bye.